Who the hell decided onion water could beat cough syrup? Probably the Chinese government, and turns out they weren't wrong. Chop a red onion, boil it for a few minutes, strain the water, then stir in a spoon of olive oil and a spoon of honey. That's it. You've got a sketchy potion that looks gross as shit, but works better than half the overpriced crap at the pharmacy. Onion compounds, smash mucus, honey soothes like throat armor, and olive oil keeps everything sliding. But hey, keep dropping $15 on extra strength, while this onion honey oil mix clowns your flu harder than your ex clowned you. Health doesn't own me. Hit follow.